Hello, let's do the Minute Cryptic for June 4th. Today's clue is by member L. Cameron. Roused by a worker striking. Rights won at last. Didn't we have a union related one? Was that yesterday? The day before? Anyway, all right. Roused by worker striking. I okay, the exclamation point could mean that we're an andlet. It doesn't have to. But an andlet, and literally so, is means that the entire thing is wordplay and the entire thing is the definition. We need 6 letters out of this. The first thing I'm looking for is if any of this could at all be hidden word clue, but I don't think so. The first thing that pops out to me is striking. If you strike something out, then you remove it. So that could be a removal indicator. Right is often just an R because right and left, R and L, is a very common replacement. So you do not need an indicator to replace that. That's just a common fodder replacement. So if we're removing R's, plural, maybe from worker, that leaves W-O-K-E. Woke. All right. Now, one at last. At last could be a T. There's the last letter of at. So is roused. Is it woken? Awoken? Maybe it's awoken somehow. Okay. So the roused is our definition. We're not an andlet. Roused is our definition. By is our linking word. I had a question about this before. Like sometimes there's just a word that isn't used. Think of it like an equal sign. So it splits our definition from our wordplay. You don't have to have one, but you're allowed to have one, and it helps make the surface work. So it reads like a sentence. So in this case, by would be a linking word saying roused is equal to whatever this wordplay does. And so A is just taken straight up. You can just take a fodder straight up into your answer. Worker striking rights. Worker without the rights is woke. And then at last is an indicator saying it's at the last letter, right? Take the last letter of one, which is an N, and that's awoken. And if you're roused, you're awoken. All right. Well, how'd you do?